I don't have a lot of time. There's a huge storm coming in. I don't want to be stuck in the shed all night long. But I wanted to give you guys an update. Yeah, I know that video that I just did was awful. It was all over the place, and I don't know why I did that, but that was just a few clips that I had filmed over the last, I don't know, few weeks. And that's just, I didn't do an intro, I didn't do an outro, I didn't do anything. So over the last couple weeks, a few fun things have happened. I've had Brian from Brian's Mobile One stop by. He gave me a t-shirt and he gave me this sticker. Hey Brian, I'm sure you're watching. And also, Bleep and Jeep came to town. So it was really good to meet those guys. Hello, if you're watching, doubt it, but hello. And that was exciting to meet them, talk about their truck. And it was just it was a fun day, all in all. So like I said, there's a storm coming in, big lightning storm, and we're probably gonna lose power. It's coming. I'm charging a battery right now on a car. The car's in the driveway. The extension cord is in the driveway. It's susceptible to moisture at the moment. So I'm gonna get these stickers, put on my tool cabinets, and I'm gonna go out there, I'm gonna disconnect that battery, get my extension cord rolled up. But I just wanted to update you guys real quick on the two things, that Brian's Mobile One came to town, Bleep and Jeep came to town, and it was nice to see them. Me and Brian, we've met a few times here and there. He's been in town a couple times, and I've never been to his place up in Salt Lake where he lives, but I'm gonna get these on the toolboxes. All right, there we have
Brian's Mobile One.
Hopefully that was okay to use that sound. You guys hearing that? All right, unfortunately, they're so big that they have to be on the bottom. They don't fit on any of the faces of the other boxes. I do have 3 of these Husky boxes, one beside each other, beside themselves. Eventually I'm going to run out of space. Not for a little while, as long as the stickers stay small. Let's go take a look at this storm. Should probably turn this off. Hear that? That's off. That's off. You guys hear that? Here comes the wind. This is insane. We just did so much work at my work today. It's probably gonna get ruined by all this. Look at that. Dang.
Come on.
Alright, yeah, definitely. That's going over us right now. Well, that didn't take long. That storm was only about an hour long, and now it's crickets, no lightning, no thunder, no wind, just a flash, and it's gone. We did have a power bump during that, so I'm glad I turned off the AC and all that stuff. Well, there's a little breeze picking up, but what's nice about this rain is it's going to cool everything down. Tomorrow's not going to be so hot. It'll be a little humid, but it won't be as hot. And now that the rain's gone, I can hook up that battery charger back up and see if that battery is going to be charging. On second thought, I'll probably just be safe and do it tomorrow. I think that's going to be it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.